Welcome guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can find and manage sound equalizer of Sony LinkBuds. Okay, first of all we have to open the Sony headphones application. Just wait until they will be connected. And after that, just go for the sound tab. Right here you can find equalizer, so to open just tap. And as you can see at the first, we can change manually sliders by tapping on this settings icon. And with the slider, we can adjust like we want. At the bottom we got clear bass. Click OK to set your preset. When you go for this site, you can find other presets. You can turn off equalizer and also adjust your own presets. And as you can see, that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.